So I'm trying to add these double take mirrors to this KTM 500. When I put these ram mounts on, the mirror won't clear it with the ball on there unless I adjust this in a way I don't want it. And I had the same problem on this KLR, and I did it with these mirror wideners right here. And SW-MOTECH sells them for like almost $100. But I found these alternative ones online for less than $10. They're solid aluminum, machined pretty good. Comes with the bolts and some washers. I'd still use some Loctite, but quality looks pretty good, and this was less than $10 for these, and the SW-MOTECH version is almost $100. And I've had them on this KLR for a while, and I haven't had any issues. I use Loctite, but nothing's come undone. The only problem I've really had was the anodizing faded a little, well, a lot. But that doesn't affect anything. So, pretty good. I'll put the links for these, for the expensive ones and the cheap ones, in the description if you're interested. Thanks for watching.